MailerLite Tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna take you through MailerLite, all their features, how can you use it effectively for your email marketing and how it works. So we will gonna discuss everything about it. I'm gonna take you through all the section of the MailerLite features that you will need while using, and it will gonna be the only video that you will need for MailerLite as your beginner guide. MailerLite, as we all know, is among the best and easy to use email marketing software, which features like newsletter creation, website and landing page building, and e-commerce product selling. As the feature extend beyond email marketing, user can collect across channels data and set targeted emails. So it's a very unique and very easy to use software that you can use for your business. So let's get started. So first of all, if you'll open the MailerLite website, you will be redirected to this page where you have to sign up, or if you already have an account, you just have to go ahead and click on log. So I'm gonna click on sign up for free. Now here you have to mention your details like your company name, your email address, and you have to set up a password. So I'm gonna quickly fill in all these details and just click on create my account. You can also sign up through your Google or your Microsoft. Now as you can see that we are redirected to the MailerLite dashboard, and here on the left hand side you will see all these options, and on this page you can see your profile at the top right corner of the screen, and there are so many options available at the left hand side of the page. So as you can see, there is dashboard, campaign, subscribers, forms, sites, automation, account settings, integration, file manager, my templates. We're gonna go through all of them one by one. So first of all, you have to complete your profile. So for that, I'm just gonna click on the profile icon at the top right and just click on my profile. Now we have to complete our profile. We have to add our basic information like our first name, last name, email address, password, and two-factor authentication. I'm also gonna select dark mode. You have to read the spam policy of MailerLite. And once you read it, just check the box that you have read all the conditions and just click on save change. As you can see that I've just completed my profile. Now we will gonna explore the campaign section. So just click on campaigns. And here as you can see that create your first campaign, just click on create. And now you have to select the option whether you want to create a regular or a split campaign. So I'm just gonna go with the regular one. Just click on continue. Now you have to give the name to the campaign that you are creating. Let's suppose I'm giving it a name first. Give it a subject, first campaign. Now just select the recipient. I'm just gonna click on all active subscribers and just click on select. Now just click on next content. Here you have to choose the editor. You can also select from the start from scratch if you want to design your campaign from the scratch by yourself, or you can also choose the template gallery or the recent email. So I'm just gonna click on template gallery. Now here you can see there are so many templates that you can choose from according to your need. So I'm just gonna click on this promoted product. So just click on choose. And here as you can see that the template is right here. All you have to do is just drag and drop here. It's very easy to edit any template in the MailerLite. If you want to add elements, on the left hand side you will see this option called elements. Just put your cursor on it and you will see there are so many options available. So all you have to do, if you want to add a title, just click on titles and drag it here, and you can add it anywhere you want in the template already. So let's suppose I've added the title heading here. And now all you have to do is just edit the header. Let's suppose I'm editing like this. Likewise, you can also add navigation tools, logo, navigation, and you can also add hero like a standard hero, extended, and title plus image. Let's suppose I'm adding title plus image. So just drag and drop it here. Now you can go ahead and select the image from your gallery in your device, or just add the button to it. And likewise, you can also add sections in the given template according to your need, and elements as I just showed you, and content as well. Like for example, I'm adding a message, so just drag and drop here, and you can write or edit this option while clicking on this edit icon right here. So just click on edit. Now you can choose the content style, heading, and the background. So you can customize this according to your need. Likewise, you can also add gallery, e-commerce, special, blog and RSS, and social media sharing as well. For example, I'm adding an Instagram post, so just click on Instagram and drag and drop here. Now you can actually edit your personal post or your company's post right here after clicking on this edit icon. So this is basically how you can create and customize using a drag and drop method in Emailer. And once you're satisfied with your editing in the campaign, all you can do is just click on preview and test. and you can also click on done editing and just click on save. So this is basically how you will create a campaign. Moving on, you will gonna see the subscribers. Here what you can do is just choose a filter and you can add multiple people right here as subscribers. So you can easily connect them to the emailer, and while you're using it, you can share amongst your subscribers. This comes very handy while using MailerLite. Next is forms. Using forms, you can create pop-ups like you can choose several pop-ups types, including floating bars and side boxes. You can also determine the pop-up behavior based on timing and scrolling, and pre-designing templates are also there, so you can select and create them quickly. So you just have to click on create and just add the form name and type of pop-up or embedded form or promotion that you want, and just click on save and continue, and you can further customize it according to your need. Next is sites. Like any other feature, site has also given you the option to create your site according to your need. So you just have to click on create. I'm just gonna show you quickly. Just give your site a name. I'm just giving a landing page, and just click on landing page and click on save and continue. Now you will see the option called select subscriber group. So you can create a subscriber group right here, or as I earlier told you, you can go ahead and create a subscriber of your own. So I'm just gonna click on create subscriber, and you just have to give the name of the group. I'm just giving it a new, and just click on create. Now just click on continue. Now as you can see that you have the option to start from the scratch your site, or you can use the templates from the template gallery. So as you can see, there are so many templates to choose from, so you can choose any of the template as per your need and liking. So let's suppose I'm choosing this one. Now all you have to do is just edit the site according to your personal customization. So you can change the header, you can change the picture back in the background, or add your personalized or customized picture, and you can also change the text and form and the color of the website, everything. At the right hand side you can see there are so many options available. So for example, if you want to change the content element, so you can choose from the headings and the link. You can also add links, you can change the heading, you can change the font of the heading. So you can do that, and once you're done with your editing, you can click on preview or save as a draft, and you can check it. So this is basically how you will use this site. It's very simple as you will go about it. There is nothing complicated. And likewise, there is automation. You can create automation in MailerLite, like you can create a welcome email, anniversaries, birthdays, and more. You can also use link triggers to active email workflows, and you can also tag your subscriber to create a new group and segments, and you can guide customers through every step of their journey, and you can sell more product and grow the reach of your website using automation as well. And now there are account settings. In the account settings, you can tweak the settings as per your liking. You can change the name or anything that you want to, and you can edit the information according to you. Integration. In integration, it's very interesting. You can integrate any of your social media platform in MailerLite. Like as you can see that you can integrate the BigCommerce, Zapier, Canva, Shopify, WooCommerce, Facebook, MailerCheck, etc, etc. So it's very unique. You can go ahead and use them while integrating them in the MailerLite in your account. And next is file manager. In the file manager, you can basically upload the images of your choice, and you can later on use them while editing your campaign, email marketing, and sites according to your need. And the last option is my templates. You can go ahead and create your own new template in the MailerLite. As you can see, there are different page in campaigns and landing page, so you can use these features in your MailerLite as well. So this is the overall guide or the overall tutorial on MailerLite, and this is basically how you can use MailerLite efficiently in your businesses to grow it further. I hope you find this video to be informative. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.